Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can change Instagram notification sound on your iPhone devices. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your settings right here, and once inside your settings, you can just go ahead and click on General, Software Update, and make sure that your iOS device is above 17.0. Right after that, you can go ahead and go back to our settings right here, and once inside, you want to click on notifications. Inside notifications, look for Instagram and just make sure that the allow notifications is turned on. And for our last step, you can just go ahead and click on sound and haptics, and from here we can then go ahead and change the ringtone of our notifications. So in here we have a lot of options. You can just go ahead and choose between these options right here, and you will be able to change the Instagram notification sounds. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.